What's going on YouTube? It's myself, Liney Dampz Players. We're back with another video, and this is another unboxing that I've not even done for a long time. So this is just like a converter that I've just got recently, and I picked this off eBay for £5 UK. I'm like, oh my god, I've actually won the bid on this item because I fancy doing some game captures from the old retro consoles, I should mention. Anyway guys, so I'm sorry about the camera angles on this because my camera's just about to fall off its stand anyway guys. So I've got it balanced on a like footboard frame of the bed at the moment, so I'm using it as a like workplace at the moment guys. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing, because this is based on gaming and tech, and that's about it. And even like Super Mario Maker 2 live streams as well. So I have much fun doing this. So let's get to the unboxing then. So before we get to the unboxing, so it's VHS to DVD 7.0 Dulux. So powerful and effortless video conversion solution. So, oh yeah, nothing wrong with ripping your old videotapes to MP3, to MP4, whatever you call it guys. But also you can actually capture footage from older video games consoles like the PlayStation 2, the Nintendo GameCube, the N64, Super Nintendo, whatever. But I believe there's a lot of remasters out there, all in HD for sure anyway guys. So let's see what's on the back. Yeah, the Honestech VHS to DVD has two modes, Easy Wizard and Advanced mode. So it's got a built-in simple video editing software with it as well, so not so much advanced or technical, it's just straightforward. But personally I prefer to use Sony Vegas, Magic Vegas, and I use 15 at the moment, and that's it. And it's compatible with mainly Windows 10 now anyway, because a lot of the older operating systems are very unsupported by Microsoft, and this will work on a Mac as well, I believe. So let's open this thing up then. Okay, just give me a sec guys. Right then, so something's just popped out. I believe it wasn't even packed in properly anyway. I like how it just comes in a nice fancy packaging. So you got the actual converter itself, and then underneath the quick start guide. Okay, right, shows you all of its contents, and it's got the software CD. Right, don't even need that because I actually someone actually left the receipt in there, so doesn't include that with the packaging. I can tell it hasn't been packed properly. We got the standard SCART adapter. We got the, what's this, a USB lead. I'm definitely sure it's a mini USB which goes in the device itself, and this is the red, yellow and white cable. Hold on, why is there two in here? Okay. And then last but not least, we just take this thing off. Right, what does it say here? Honestech. And then you got the phono input along with the video input as well. So these two will give a nice pristine stereo sound. We got the mini USB to power it up. So it can be powered if it's connected to a computer or laptop, or you can even power it up using your games consoles or other USB devices. Even power banks will actually do the job. And then this is the S-Video in. What's this here? Okay, don't even know what that does. I think it might just be LED indicator, so my vid box. But what I like about this thing, yeah, pretty much if you're looking to capture footage from old retro games consoles like the Sega Mega Drive, the Super Nintendo, the NES and all that, but just like I said, there's remasters of it already. And that's that done for the unboxing guys. See you all later. And there's a few more things that I've missed out on here. So these are all the formats you can convert them to. So you can either upscale it to Blu-ray quality, HD TV ready, Android, and then you can actually back up to SkyDrive, which is now OneDrive, of course. And then something I'm missing from there. Hold on. Right then. Oh, come on. Aha! The software CD. Okay. Right, I do apologise if I accidentally showed the product key because it's been redeemed by myself anyway. That's all it is to it then, people. So thank you guys for watching. See you all later.